The star Scarab-Jew, a red supergiant beast arranged in the heavenly body Orion, has long spellbound cosmologists and stargazers the same due to its sheer size and wonder. In the event that Scarab-Jew were set where our Sun is, it would reach out to the circle of Jupiter, a demonstration of its huge size. Notwithstanding being situated around 642 light-years from Earth, its enormous size makes it one of the most brilliant stars noticeable to the unaided eye. In any case, as of late, Scarab-Jew has shown surprising way of behaving. For example, unforeseen diminishing and lighting up cycles, which numerous researchers accept signal that the star is approaching an amazing finish. The prestigious physicist Brian Cox as of late offered an essential expression that Scarab-Jew is nearly a horrendous blast, expected to happen inside the following 14 days. This occasion, known as a cosmic explosion, will stamp the finish of Scarab-Jew's life. However, will give an extraordinary open door to researchers to concentrate on quite possibly of the most uncommon and strong peculiarity known to mankind. As a Goliath star approaching blast, Scarab-Jew is named a red supergiant, one of the biggest and most monstrous sorts of stars in presence. It has been on the cosmic radar for quite a while, yet its new whimsical changes in brilliance have energized hypothesis that the star is planning to go cosmic explosion. At the point when a star like Scarab-Jew arrives at the finish of its life, its center implodes under its own gravity, prompting a huge blast that delivers an enormous measure of energy, radiation, and heavenly material into space. Scarab-Jew's looming blast is anticipated to be a sort 2 cosmic explosion, a particular sort of heavenly blast that happens when the center of a monstrous star breakdowns. This center breakdown sets off the arrival of neutrinos and radiation, making a shockwave that destroys the star. The blast will be brilliant to the point that it very well may be noticeable from Earth without the requirement for telescopes, conceivably in any event, eclipsing the moon in the night sky for weeks or months. While such an occasion would ordinarily be obliterating assuming it happened nearer to us, Scarab-Jew's separation from Earth, around 642 light-years, intends that albeit the blast will be terrific and emotional, it represents no danger to life on our planet. The occasion, be that as it may, vows to reshape how we might interpret supernovae and vast peculiarities. A cosmic explosion is perhaps of the most remarkable occasion known to man, delivering more energy in no time flat than the Sun will over its whole lifetime. Scarab-Jew's blast won't just be a stunning infinite presentation, yet in addition, a critical second for science. Researchers are anxious to see this intriguing occasion from its actual beginning, utilizing an assortment of ground and space-based telescopes, including the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, to catch however much information as could be expected. At the point when Scarab-Jew detonates, it will emanate an extensive variety of radiation, from noticeable light to gamma beams. One of the most significant parts of the cosmic explosion will be the flood of neutrinos, subtle subatomic particles that seldom collaborate with issue. Neutrinos from a cosmic explosion can really arrive at Earth before the light from the blast because of their capacity to go through nearly everything unaffected. Observatories like Japan's Super Kamiokande and the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory in Antarctica are getting ready to identify these neutrinos, offering an early advantage in noticing Scarab-Jew's last minutes. Furthermore, the blast will give basic experiences into the formation of weighty components. At the point when stars detonate, they produce and dissipate components like iron, gold, silver, and uranium, materials fundamental for life as far as we might be concerned. The investigation of Scarab-Jew's cosmic explosion will reveal insight into this component arrangement process, which is critical to figuring out the improvement of planets and the universe's science. In spite of the fact that Scarab-Jew's cosmic explosion isn't supposed to destructively affect Earth, it will communicate with our planet's air and attractive field in entrancing ways. The energy burst from the blast, especially the appearance of inestimable beams and charged particles, could make more extraordinary auroras, growing the districts where the northern and southern lights are noticeable. While these astronomical beams might actually influence satellite correspondences and some innovation on the planet, the aggravations are supposed to be minor and fleeting. One of the most interesting parts of Scarab-Jew's blast is that it will be apparent to everybody on the planet, not simply proficient stargazers with cutting-edge hardware. For quite a long time or even months, Scarab-Jew is supposed to be the most brilliant item in the night sky, maybe even noticeable during the daytime. This scene will enamor established researchers, stargazers, and the overall population the same, starting re-established interest in cosmology and the universe. Space experts have long hypothesized about the passing of Scarab-Jew. However, Brian Cox's new assertion adds a remarkable need to keep moving. Before very long, observatories all over the planet are planning to concentrate on each period of the cosmic explosion. The logical information gathered will be important, possibly changing comprehension we might interpret heavenly development, center breakdown supernovae, and the appropriation of infinite matter. Scarab-Jew's cosmic explosion will permit researchers to refine their models of astronomical distances. Being generally near Earth, it offers an unequaled chance to gauge how energy from such a blast goes through space. By noticing the light and radiation from the cosmic explosion as it cooperates with the interstellar medium, the gas and residue that exist between stars, stargazers will acquire a more clear comprehension of the size of the universe. In particular, the occasion will offer an opportunity to concentrate on dull matter and how it might impact supernovae. Dull matter, the puzzling substance that makes up around 85% of the matter in the universe, neither radiates nor retains light, making it hard to distinguish. In any case, noticing the way of behaving of light and matter around Scarab-Jew after its blast could give roundabout insights about the job dim matter plays in the universe's huge scope structure. Scarab-Jew's cosmic explosion will likewise carry us nearer to understanding the existence pattern of stars, especially the way that enormous stars add to the making of the components vital forever. Supernovae are the essential astronomical occasions answerable for conveying weighty components all through the universe. Components that ultimately structure new stars, planets, and, surprisingly, living organic entities. By concentrating on Scarab-Jew, researchers will acquire priceless information about how these components are produced and dispersed. The social meaning of Scarab-Jew's blast is significant. For quite a long time, people have sought the stars for direction, motivation, and, surprisingly, meaning. The vanishing of perhaps the most conspicuous star in the night sky will provoke philosophical reflection on the transient idea of the universe. Scarab-Jew has been a steady presence in the heavenly body Orion, however long humankind has recorded the stars, and its non-attendance will act as a strong wake-up call of the fleetingness, all things considered. In certain societies, such vast occasions have been deciphered as signs or indications of enormous change. Scarab-Jew's blast might rouse a combination of stunningness, dread, and miracle as individuals from varying backgrounds observe the demise of a star. This great occasion will probably ignite re-established interest in space investigation and cosmology, bringing more individuals into the quest for information about the universe. Novice cosmologists are now getting ready for the occasion, as present-day innovation permits nearly anybody with a camera or telescope to notice and record the cosmic explosion. This democratization of science will join individuals across the globe, all watching and recording a similar inestimable peculiarity from their special vantage focuses. Scarab-Jew's blast isn't simply a solitary cosmic occasion, yet in addition, a venturing stone for future investigation. The information accumulated from the cosmic explosion will illuminate how we concentrate on different stars, particularly as we adventure further into space with missions to different planets and stars. Understanding the existence patterns of stars and the elements of supernovae is critical as humankind hopes to extend its presence in the nearby planet group and then some. Moreover, the blast will reignite interest in the quest for extraterrestrial life. Supernovae are fundamental for circulating the components vital forever, like carbon and oxygen, across the universe. By concentrating on Scarab-Jew's blast, researchers can all the more likely comprehend how the elements for life could spread to other planetary frameworks and possibly flash life somewhere else in the universe. The fast-approaching blast of Scarab-Jew is turning out to be one of the main cosmic occasions within recent memory. Its cosmic explosion will give an abundance of logical information, upgrade how we might interpret the universe, and dazzle individuals all over the planet. However, Scarab-Jew's passing will check the finish of a Goliath star. It will likewise represent the continuous pattern of creation and obliteration that oversees the universe, an update that from death, new stars, planets, and even life itself can arise. As we plan for this memorable occasion, the world will watch the night sky, sitting tight for the second when one of the universe's most impressive powers blasts into view. For researchers and stargazers the same, Scarab-Jew's last process will be absolutely spectacular. As Scarab-Jew approaches the last phase of its life, one of the more speculative yet fascinating conceivable outcomes related with its looming blast is the possibility to reveal insight into a portion of the universe's most prominent secrets: dull matter and dim energy. These puzzling powers are accepted to represent by far most of the universe's mass and energy, yet they remain inadequately comprehended by researchers. There is hypothesis that supernovae, similar to the one anticipated from Scarab Jew, could hold a way to unlocking